fancy meeting you here.
Vlog 3, video 4. We're on a roll.
Stunted Reality is taking over the internet. We've got a couple of problems. That tyre, and this bike's not running that well.
This bike is a big pile of poo-poo.
Ever since I went from my 650, and I've been through about 4 or 5 F4Is, and none of them have run nicely at all. Today
is going to be a bit of a challenging day because Alistair's bike basically isn't working. My bike is, and I'm okay. So I'm going to just ride away quickly. So
can I have a go on your bike?
Alistair doesn't steal my bike. Can you just
round the block?
Just leave me alone.
Just round the block. I just go round the block once.
You've already been round the block about 3 million times today, hey, darling, on my bike, haven't you? I think that today, because your bike isn't working, you should get on my bike with me riding.
Oh my gosh, I mean that's like just a death sentence, isn't it?
Hey!
It's dangerous.
I thought you got into stunt riding because it was dangerous.
No, because of the control and the skill and the comprehension.
I'll find you way more attractive if you live on the dangerous edge.
Okay, coming in. I like going on the back of girls anyway, because that way you get to like hold on.
You like going on the back of girls? You're married, remember?
Oh yeah, I meant that from before.
Oh, you're so gross. Right.
There's a butt in my face.
Okay, ready?
So apparently I'm going to be standing up.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a wheelie while sat on the front with you on the back.
This doesn't sound great.
How does that sound?
Yeah, lovely.
Do you want to get on the front? No, I meant sit down and I ride. I want you to get onto the seat here. Get on the seat. Oh, okay. Right, now bend down. Thank you. Can I get my feet in where your bum is, please?
Lovely, thank you, darling.
Oh, you're so welcome. You know, this is me being charitable because your bike is an invalid.
Yeah, I don't think it's that bad.
It's invalid.
Thank you.
Off you get them.
Cheers.
Yeah,
Actually,
no,
do you know what?
no.
I think that you.
What?
I think that you should get on the back while I do a wheelie on your bike. It's only fair, isn't it?
Well, not really. It's not your bike.
You are being charitable.
Fine. Okay, we can stop now. We can stop!